All right. Hey guys, this is Kelly, Southwest Blinds and Shutters here in Arizona. Today I want to speak to you contractors and interior designers, whether you're a general contractor or a remodeler. I want to talk to you guys directly today. I noticed that there's some hesitation out there for many of you in doing window coverings and listening to some of the things that some of the complaints and some of the challenges that you face. I totally understand why. With window coverings, it's multifaceted. There's the beginning parts where you're trying to design the opening. You're trying to figure out whether certain products will work. You're trying to make sure that the customer will be, happy with what you're designing. Then there's also the measuring aspect, the ordering aspect, then the scheduling, the install. You have to manage the install team. And then also if there's any warranty issues, you've got to be customer service. So there's a lot of hats to wear in regards to doing window coverings. And in a case like yours, where you are managing a larger project that has a lot of different aspects to it, the full scope of that project can seem daunting. And then you're adding window coverings into that full project that you're working on. So I understand the situation that you're in, and I'd like to talk to you about the possibility of, using a window covering company that specializes in this industry to do your window coverings for you. And so basically what we can do is we can come in and support you in all aspects from beginning to end, where you will not have to worry about any kind of product updates. You don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about specs. You don't have to worry about measuring. You don't have to worry about ordering. You don't have to worry about keeping an installer and keeping them busy and working. And you don't have to worry about any kind of warranty work after the fact, because we're going to take care of all of that from beginning to end. And so this is a good way for you to have window coverings as a product offering, as an option that you can give to your clients without having to worry about all the terrible things associated with trying to manage that as part of a bigger project.